perspective for us to have clearer insights and deeper understanding of how Hemohim can be of great help in the treatment of the so many medical problems that are facing our society today. This is what Hemohim stands for: hemoglobin, which is that protein found inside our red blood cells, and it carries oxygen or transports oxygen from the lungs to the different tissues of our body. H for hematopoiesis simply means to make blood. I for immunity, which generally refers to our body's ability to resist infection. And M is to modulate, which means to balance the immune system, whether you enhance it or you calm it down, depending on the given situation. We all need to take Hemohim because we need our immune system to be healthy. If you want to live a long and healthy life, not just a long life, but a long and healthy life, keep your immune system healthy. Understanding the relationship between the immune system and the different health problems can help us manage our health better and help us prevent diseases. Hemohim is a herbal preparation consisting of these three major ingredients: Angelica gigas, Linguicum sinense, and Paeonia lactiflora. Together, these three herbal ingredients synergistically work to activate the natural killer cells, to promote the production of cytokines, which are crucial for regulating our immune response, the B cells, and the macrophages. With the exception of cytokines, all these cells are what we call as immune surveillance cells. Cytokines in themselves are not immune surveillance cells, but they are very important signaling proteins that can facilitate immune surveillance. Immune surveillance is the process by which our immune system constantly monitors our body for the presence of infections, cancer cells, cells, and eliminate them before they can do any harm. It is this unique formulation of those three herbal ingredients that give Hemohim its special attributes of being a very powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immunomodulatory. It is this special formulation that makes Hemohim a unique immune supplement. It is also important to take note that Hemohim also contains polyphenols. Its polyphenol content makes up 30% of the total composition of Hemohim. So how important is the activities of Hemohim? And they carry a lot of health benefits, notably its ability to reduce inflammation, to decrease the risk of cancer, lower blood sugar, etc. And towards the last part of the slide, it has also the ability to combat the degenerative and metabolic changes associated with aging. Hemohim can strengthen our immunity along these three different mechanisms. First, as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory that can address oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Second, Hemohim is a necessary supplement for hematopoiesis. And third, it is also a necessary supplement that can help us modulate our immune responses through enhancement of the function and activity of the T regulatory cells. So let us go through these three different mechanisms one by one. As an antioxidant, Hemohim has really been recognized as a very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. And antioxidants can help us maintain a healthy immune system by neutralizing the free radicals, which are unhealthy, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage leading to oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. And when you have chronic inflammation, that will weaken your immune system. And that can lead to tissue damage and scarring, decrease in the functions of the different body systems, and also it is at the very foundation of practically all known chronic conditions. Every chronic disease has inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic inflammation is also associated with what we call as accelerated aging or inflammaging or garbaging as we call it, that is aging secondary to inflammation. So these are just but a few examples of the chronic diseases associated with chronic inflammation. You have neurodegenerative disorders as exemplified by Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, you have autoimmune conditions, cancer, etc. Second mechanism, hemohim is a necessary supplement for hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis is the process by which our hematopoietic stem cells, which are primarily found in the bone marrow, manufacture all our blood elements. You're talking of the platelets, red cells, and the white blood cells. The white blood cells, let us remember, are an integral part of our immune system and are in fact at the front line of our immune defense. Lymphocytes, B cells, natural killer cells, they are all kinds of white blood cells. Hematopoiesis is really very crucial for maintaining our immune system or the health of our immune system because all our immune cells originate from the hematopoietic stem cells which are found in the bone marrow. So any dysfunction in hematopoiesis can lead to a decrease in all these immune cells. And hemohim has the capacity to stimulate proliferation of our stem cells as well as protect them.